What's cracking, everybody? Pete here from M&M and the Gang. I am cleaning my rig with just Windex and turtle wax polish. I'll let you see before and after. I've already did half of it, so this is what I'm using. Rain-X. I just filled it back up with Windex and turtle wax clean. Okay. That is before. That's chrome. You can see how dirty it is. All the way up to the top. And this is afterwards. Excuse the scratches there. Got a little backed into a tree, or branches rather. And that's after. This side. How's it going? Fine, how are you? That's before. And that's after. And let you see the side of the coach that I haven't done yet. So that's before. Haven't done rims yet. I'm gonna do that next. You can see the windows, sides are all jacked up. It rained a few days ago, and you can see the mess that the rain made. And the other side was just like this, same, dirty. Front was real dirty too. Here's the front after. And it's already getting dirty again. I actually did the front a couple of days ago. And this side a couple of days ago. And this I did today. All this was done today. At the bottom, you saw the other side was really dirty from the rain hitting. Excuse me. Took me about, I don't know, an hour and a half, something like that to do this. Slides. And you can see it put a nice little shine on it. You look that way, you can see the reflection of the grass and other things, the crappy dirt road. So you can probably even see my reflection. Handsome. Okay. So pretty much all this is done except for the rims. I'm gonna get those later, because this park here, we're at Thousand Trails, Morgan Hill, and they don't allow you to wash your motorhome here. So got to do everything by hand or pay somebody to do it. And I figure I'm gonna have all this, about 6 bottles of this turtle wax polish, so I might as well use it and see what I can do. Got a scratch down there. I don't know where that came from. I don't remember hitting anything. So, and that's my rig, halfway clean. Alrighty, talk to you guys later. Peace. Peace.